How to earn passive income with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum swing 5 to 10% or more in a day, and the markets for cryptocurrencies are open 24/7. This makes the markets extremely volatile for different cryptocurrencies. And because it's so volatile, companies will give investors interest on their currencies no matter how crazy the prices are. Because people want a guarantee when they invest, and by giving the interest, it definitely attracts more investors because people are probably scared because of how volatile it is. So they offer this interest to get more investors to sign up for their platform. So I'm going to go over just a few of some of the best interests that I've seen. So that we'll start off with Nexon. Nexon is offering 8% on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Next is Blockify. Blockify is offering 5% on Bitcoin and 4.5% on Ethereum. Gemini is another good one, and it's offering 2.1% on Bitcoin and 3.1% on Ethereum. And best of all is Webull. Webull is offering 2 free stocks when you sign up using the link in the description. Okay, with all jokes aside, it's not a good idea to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum just to get the interest rates. Although the interest rates might be great, you need to look and do more research about the investment before you put money in. And yeah, sure, the interest could be really good on it, but you shouldn't be putting your money in that just because of the interest. You gotta look further ahead and see if you actually believe that it will do well over time, because that's how you'll really make the good money. The interest, I mean, yeah, it's good, but it's probably not going to stay up there, so you really got to invest long term when investing in these coins and really do your research. So if you want to stay up to date on all the latest business, economic, and financial news, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.